All right, we're gonna go ahead and get started. This is what we're gonna do here. Is I'm basically gonna go ahead and set up your charts and go ahead and go through some charting using those indicators that I'm about to show you guys how to set up. You want to start off first by whenever I send out the template. Once you install it, all you'll have to do is right click, template, find the template here. But just for now, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to set it up manually. What you would first do is hit indicators, insert indicators. You're going to enter 4 moving averages. So we're going to enter moving average number 1. We're going to put that at the 21 area, 21 level. All right, first moving average 21, shift 0, exponential, close. We're going to make that red. Then we'll go in here for another one, trend, moving average 13. Let's make that yellow. Again, trend, moving average 50. We'll make that aqua. Again, trend, moving average, 200. Now, once you get familiar with what these moving averages are designed to show us, you can then alter the colors if you like. All right. But to make a long story short, here we go. Moving averages. Now, you see how all of them are fanned up? That would definitely indicate an uptrend. We're going to base the trend based on where price is positioned against this white moving average. That's the 200 moving average. Above the moving average, we're in an uptrend. Below the moving average, we're in a downtrend. Now, the trend is just based on the white. All right. Uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, uptrend. All right. We're going to basically analyze the market cycle based on where position is on the 200 moving average. Prices above, we're in an uptrend. Okay, based on all the moving averages. Okay, white would be the strongest or the most long term. Blue would be the medium long term. Red and yellow would be, of course, the even smaller long time frames. Okay. White being the overall direction of the trend. Now, each time frame is going to look the exact same. Each time frame trend in correlation to candles is going to be the exact same. Okay. Now, what we want to do is when we use our separators by pressing Control Y like this here, anything over the 4-hour chart is going to show you weeks. Anything under the 4-hour chart when you separate is going to show you days. So since we have the weeks here, started right here, let's look how prices in relation to the moving averages. We can see here that we've been in an uptrend. All right. Now, I also want to show you guys this. The market moves in a cycle of 3 each week. So by looking at this chart, we can clearly see 3 levels of rise. I pointed out for you guys. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. Overall trend for the weekly cycle is going to be seen on the 4-hour chart. If we look at last week, we can see the same thing. 1, 1, 2, 3. And then price comes back. Same thing here. 1, 2, 3. And the price comes back. All right. Everybody see that? That's what a cycle looks like. Now, this is the weekly cycle, 4-hour chart. Now, when you see price come in, let me go zoom down. Okay, this is now mind you, we just broke, that was the weekly chart. The weekly 1, 2, 3 up cycle. Now let's go down to the 1-hour chart. Okay, 1-hour chart, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We'll break that down again. All right. Here's the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We're in Thursday now. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. These are the same levels we just saw on the 4-hour chart. Okay, now we'll be coming down. Now, when price makes these level and moves, price likes to always come back to at least this 50 moving average. Okay, now when in trend, price is going to use the 13 and 21 as levels of support to continue the trend. Price will rise, consolidate, rise, consolidate, rise, pull them all back. Now, when it's coming back, retracing the trend, the moving averages start coming back together. Also, look here. 1. Let me pull this here. 1, 2, 3. You see that there? Divergence. Divergence on the TDI. That is why I mentioned the other day we should have a pretty big sell-off here on the Euro USD for the next couple weeks after that. All right, now as you see the cycles and break down that, you can then get into the smaller time frames and analyze the same thing. Here's this 15-minute chart. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Also, look at the TDI. Divergence. That was just a quick little charting analysis I wanted to record and break down for you. Definitely apply this little method to your charts. I'll be sending this template out tomorrow afternoon for everybody in the group to go ahead and download and install into their MetaTrader 4s.